Hello, Claire from Shenzhen HR Tenda. Today I would like to introduce our EAS AM system. Now this is the error DR label. I will show how to test it. For this antenna, it also has the function of people counting. Now I will show you details. Now, once it announces one more time, the number will increase 1. The range detection between the two antennas could reach 1.9 meters. Also, it could announce on both sides. The range detection on the two sides of the antenna could reach 80 to 100 centimeters. If you like our this one, welcome to contact Claire. Have a nice day. Bye bye.